Hey, Wes from Printful here. Today, let's look at 7 things you should know about Printful's warehousing and fulfillment service, and how it can help you during the holiday shopping frenzy. Number 1, what is warehousing and fulfillment? It's a service that lets you store your entire inventory at our warehouse, and will pack and ship them to your customers under your brand when orders come in. When the holiday season comes around, it can take a lot of work off your hands. Number 2, it helps you save time to focus on the holiday season itself. With warehousing and fulfillment, you leave all the hard parts of running a store to us. We take care of your order fulfillment, packing, and shipping your products, so you have more time to spend on customer support, marketing, designing, and all the other enjoyable parts of running your own business. This is especially important during the peak season when you'll want to focus most of your attention on getting sales and making sure that your store runs smoothly and that your customers are happy. Number 3, our warehouses are located on 2 continents. We offer warehousing at our fulfillment center in Charlotte, North Carolina, and our Europe location in Riga, Latvia. This way, you can reach customers all over the world with ease. So no matter where your buyers looking for holiday gifts are located, they will be able to get their hands on your awesome products. Number 4, we offer same-day fulfillment for warehouse orders. If an order that contains only warehouse items is submitted by 2 p.m. by Charlotte or Riga time, depending on where you store your goods, it'll be fulfilled and shipped out on the same day. If something happens and we don't fulfill an order that qualifies for same-day fulfillment on time, we'll automatically refund the order fulfillment fee. And generally, orders containing warehouse items only are fulfilled in 1 business day. Quick fulfillment times will be especially important for buyers who leave their holiday shopping for the last minute, and we've all been there. This way, even they can manage to get their orders on time. Number 5, with warehousing, you can take advantage of our shipping prices. Since we handle a large number of orders every day, we've negotiated special prices with our carriers we work with. If you use our warehousing service, you too get access to these prices, even if you don't use our print-on-demand service. Plus, it's always easier to manage your shipping settings if your items are fulfilled by the same partner. Number 6, we use smart packaging when sorting items into shipments. Smart packaging means that whenever it's possible, items from the same order are shipped together. This means customers can get their items more effectively, and they don't have to be on the lookout for multiple packages if they order more than 1 item from you. Number 7, you can also order Printful's print or embroidery products in bulk and stock them at our warehouse right after fulfillment. If you have a popular design that's sure to be a bestseller during the holiday season, order it in bulk in advance and have it stocked at our warehouse after fulfillment. This way, you'll significantly cut fulfillment times down during peak season, which means happier customers who will get their goodies faster. Make sure to check out our blog for more information on how warehousing can help you during the holiday season. The link is in the description below. Here's to a successful peak season. Hey, it's Wes from Printful. I hope you found that video very helpful. All the links that we mentioned can be found in the description below. And in the comments section, feel free to leave any feedback or suggestions on other videos that you would like to see. Our channel is full of tutorials, so don't forget to subscribe and check those out.